Good morning ka-friendship. At today's video ay magluluto tayo ng pork kare-kare. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone, this is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. Here are the ingredients. We have here 200 grams pork, puso ng saging or banana heart. We have here eggplant, garlic, onion, tomato, string beans. We have pechay, cayenne pepper or siling haba, 2 pieces calamansi, meron tayo ditong bagoong or shrimp paste, gagamit tayo ng peanut butter, 100 grams na kare-kare mix, cooking oil, knorr liquid seasoning, and of course, salt and pepper. Okay ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Okay, what we're going to do first is maglalagay tayo ng cooking oil sa ating preheated pot. And then ihigisa natin yung ating garlic. Next, ang onion. Saka yung kamatis. And after that, idagdag natin yung ating pork. Gigit lang natin sa kapanset. Ilagyan natin ng konting salt. At saka pepper. So, hayaan na lang muna natin sa dyan ka-friendship hanggang maging golden brown yung ating pork. At this point ka-friendship, pwede na natin dagdagan ng tubig yung ating pork. The boiling the butter. Ayan. Hayaan na lang muna natin dyan ka-friendship hanggang maluto yung ating pork. And at this point, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating banana heart or puso ng saging. So, ayan. So, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan ka-friendship. Let's go back later. At this point ka-friendship, luto na yung ating pork at saka yung ating puso ng saging. So, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating kare-kare mix. Ayan, tinunaw ko siya sa tubig. So, idagdag na natin. And then after that, dagdag na rin tayo ng peanut butter. Mas marami, mas masarap. Dagdagan pa natin. So, ayan, okay na yan. Okay, so hayaan na lang muna natin sa dyan ka-friendship hanggang matotally dissolve yung ating peanut butter at saka maluto yung ating kare-kare mix. Okay, friendship, at this point, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating string beans. At saka yung ating talong. Pwede na tayong magdagdag ka friendship ng konting knorr liquid seasoning. Hindi na natin kailangan magdagdag pa ng salt dahil meron naman tayong shrimp paste later. So ayan, tikman natin ang lasa kung okay na. So, ayan, okay na siya ka-friendship. At this point, idagdag natin yung stem ng pechay. Unahin muna natin yung stem. Kasi medyo matigas siya. Ayan, yung stem ng pechay. Ayan, so pakuluan lang natin siya ka-friendship ng at least 2 minutes. So, balikan natin siya later. At this point of friendship, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating pechay. So, ayan, mas maganda or mas masarap kapag half cook lang yung ating pechay. Meron pa siyang, pag kinain, meron pa siyang crisp. Meron pa siyang crunch. So, ayan. And the last but not the least, mag-squeeze tayo ng 2 pieces calamansi to enhance the flavor of our pork caldereta. Okay, so ayan ka-friendship, luto na yung ating pork caldereta. Ready for serving na siya. Ito na po yung ating finished product, yung ating pork kare-kare. So, ayan, i-garnish lang natin siya ng cayenne pepper or siling haba sa itaas. Ayan. And sabi nga nila, it takes two to tango and hindi siya maging kare-kare kung wala siyang partner na bagoong or shrimp paste. Okay? So, ayan na po siya ka-friendship. Okay ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang dish natin sa araw na ito. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Tuto Mira at your service. Always remember that there's no need to be perfect to inspire others. Let people be inspired by how you deal with your imperfections. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.